All right, now in addition to convention-based cloning, if I take a new repository here and grab the URL for this, copy that over at the command line. Previously, I checked out a different repo up here using the WCL command. So of course I could use WCL again and paste that in and off to the races. But instead of doing that, I also oftentimes, I'll go back to my home directory here, use the Z command to jump around to directories that I previously visited. Like I could jump back to the instance manager directory. So now my thought is, why don't I combine together that WCL command as well as the Z command? And so what I did is I modified the Z command so I could paste in a repository URL. And now when I run this, if I already have it, I'll just jump to it. If I don't have it yet, I'll first clone it and then jump to it. And so you can see now I'm inside of the Longhorn engine directory. And there is the new repository that I just pulled down to my machine. And if I want to jump to that instance repo, I should put an instance here. And now I'm inside of a different repo. And of course, if I want to go back to the new repo, I'll just put an engine. And I'm back in the Longhorn engine. So I'm pretty happy with this change to the Z command. One thing I might change though, if I were to paste in an organization and a repo, especially for GitHub, something like this. Of course, right now I can change to the current directory that'll work. But if I don't have it, I'd like it to clone it. And I'd like to use something like the GitHub CLI to do a quick check to see if it's a real repository. And if it is, and I don't have it already, then go ahead and clone in this case as well, so I don't need the full URL. So that's something I might add in the future.